Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you, and today with another Turbine Guy recommendation. Now we all know how hard it is to find a good doctor or a good lawyer, or more importantly, a good auto mechanic. And I most definitely found one that you should talk to when you need some help with your vehicle. Located just behind the Dairy Queen in Delano is Brady's Auto Repair. And here comes our guy, Mr. Brady himself. Now I brought this baby in because I had a light going and you checked it for me, correct?
Yep.
No big deal, that's part of the service, right?
Yep.
Let's go back and take a look and see what it says.
Replace gas cap. No big deal.
So we got a simple one today. So you're not going to sit here and try to sell me on everything you can think of, are you?
No.
And that's
Free check engine light scan.
free check engine light. And that's what the Turbine Guy likes about Brady. Brady's an honest guy. Brady's not going to oversell you. Brady's going to tell you what's wrong. And then if you're a DIY guy like me, he'll help you out with this and then maybe help you figure out how to fix it yourself, right?
Yep. Anytime. Stop in.
Stop in. Now we got a nice little two-stall shop here where we can fix just about anything that goes wrong or send you to the right place.
Or also do AC work too.
AC work, big on AC work. So you're going to offer a Turbine Guy special. All they got to do is say Turbine Guy when they come in. What's that going to be?
25% discount.
20? What? Geez, I better say that. Hey, Turbine Guy, here we go. I got my discount.
25% discount.
Look for any contact info you need down in the description. You can Google Brady's. Plenty of ways to find out how to get here. So there you have it, folks. Another Turbine Guy recommendation for one of the most important things in your life, working on your cars. Come on out to Delano, come on out to Brady's, and get your work done at a 25% discount.
Just for knowing Jay.
Just for knowing the Turbine Guy. Turbine Guy signing off.